What's up, guys? I know we haven't recorded in a long time. Today I thought maybe we could just do a quick montage of us at the beach. Right now we're heading to the beach, so we'll see you there. We might do skimboarding, a couple other things. Beach, our favorite spot to go. It took us like 5 minutes to get here. Not bad. We got some people. Not very good way for skimboarding, but we'll just see. Roll the montage. Day 2 skimboarding, good grades today, so just roll the day 2 montage.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No. Look at the top of his head.